How to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Simply go to your blank page. Then click on Ctrl+G on your keyboard. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, in enter page number, type in backslash and page. Then press on enter. Then press on close. After that, simply click on delete on your keyboard and the page will be deleted. Another way what you can do is simply click on the blank page and then click on delete on your keyboard and you're good to go. This is how to delete blank page in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.